Hi, this is Kirk with Forex Strategy Secrets. In this video we want to cover how to have profitable FX pips each week. In order to have profitable pips each week, there's two things you need to do. You need to set some goals and you need to keep records. And you should treat each day as its own separate trading time frame. Whether you're winning or losing trades, just remember, when each day is over, it's over. Don't try to catch up for the previous day if you didn't reach your goal. And don't try to change your trading style to compensate for a loss or to take advantage of a winning trade. Say, oh, I did this, I'm going to keep on going. Be consistent in your trading. And don't try to double up to make more FX pips on one trade. So if you lost, then you try to make up the whole week in one trade. Everyone's going to have a losing trade once in a while, but you first need to learn from that losing trade, and then second, move on. Do not dwell on any single loss. Now, to let you know, there are many opportunities each day. We're on a 1 hour chart. I'm going to scroll through just a couple of charts so you can see that in between these two vertical lines is one day. There's a little bit of opportunity at the beginning of that day that got choppy after a while. That one wasn't a great day either. There was a little bit of a movement right in here. There was some big movement on that one. This one had some big movement. There's another one that's a big movement, and there's one that didn't move quite so well. By this example, you're seeing that each day there are many opportunities to find trades that will be profitable for you. And we find that there are many people out there that are saying, oh, just when you start out, just trade 1 or 2 pairs. Well, one of the things we find when people do this is they start breaking their trading rules, because you see that each currency pair has times when it moves and times when it doesn't. And so the times when it doesn't move, the trader is anxious and wants to get into a trade, so they start taking trades they shouldn't be taking, and they start chasing trades. We'll show you in our trading system how you can trade all the pairs your broker offers. I have all the pairs this broker offers listed over here, and so we can show you that you can trade those. And I've just scrolled through a half a dozen or so, and you saw that some were moving and some were not moving during that same period. So this is why we say that you can make positive FX pips every day with Forex Strategy Secrets. Now, one goal each trader should have is to not lose so much money on a single trade that they can't come back during the remainder of that day. So there's enough fresh opportunities each week so that it makes it possible for you to set a goal that you can be profitable each week. Also, a trader doesn't have to lose so many FX pips in a single day that they can't make it back during the other days of the week. So say you had a day where you didn't reach your daily goals, that's okay. You can still have a good week. Just make sure that if you have a losing day, don't go so far in the hole that you can't make it back in the other 4 days of the trading week. I'm going to switch to a 4-hour chart. This is a trading week. 4-hour chart in between those vertical lines. You see that there were many opportunities on this currency pair to make some trades. So some days they were going sideways, other days it was moving. I'm going to go back up through the same pairs we looked at. You can see that they have times where they go up and when they go down. This one is a little bit harder. See, for probably a couple of days here, it went sideways and over here, but there were some good moves on this particular currency pair. And this one had ups and downs, and this one had some sideways and some good up at different times of the week. That's why we say you can make profitable FX pips every day and have profitable weeks. So you need to set daily goals as well as weekly goals. The fact that a trader sets goals, now this is going to keep them focused so they can reach those FX pips on their daily and their weekly goals. Trader is not going to reach his goals every week. Sometimes he might surpass them, sometimes he might be a little shy. But he will know when to push and when to add on and when to hold back because the market's not moving. A trader doesn't need to let a profitable week get away from him if he pushes himself to be profitable each day and keep it segmented so that you can have some good days and some days that it may not be so good, but at the end of the week you've had a good week. Now you're going to actually have to start managing each of your trades on an individual day basis so that they don't get away from you, and make sure that your largest FX pip loss does not exceed your largest FX pip gain for that day. This way you'll always be in a positive mode, and this happens as a result of keeping good records and tracking each day. Knowing where you are each day will help to build a profitable week. We see traders that are using our Launchpad and our N3 system that they're not digging holes for their FX pips to bury them and lose them all. they're filling their wheelbarrows with the FX pips so they can take them to the bank. To see how you can start trading profitably, you can go to forexstrategysecrets.com and look at our free jumpstart trading strategy. Now, it's not a whole trading system, it's just a strategy to give you an idea of how things work. Along with that, you'll have access to our trading room for 30 days. So you can come in and watch traders use the system, see that other traders are actually making hundreds of pips per day and many, many pips per week. And it varies per trader per week. By going to forexstrategysecrets.com, you can get your free jumpstart strategy and access to the trading room for 30 days. That's getting a chance to look at a trading system that will actually make you hundreds of pips every week. So go to Forex Strategy Secrets now and sign up for your free jumpstart trading strategy, and we'll see you in the trading room.